Hi, I'm Franny. This is Miss Elza.
Hi, Miss Elza and Franny. Yes, okay, today's class number 14, I believe 14, and we are working on book A, all in one, page 35. Little bit struggle here over the rhythm. So what we did with Franny, we tap and we were saying left and right, left and right. Let's demonstrate, Franny. Right? Together with Miss Elza, left, right, both hands. No metronome for now. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Set, start.
Left, right, left, right, left, right, right,
Rest. Keep going.
left, right,
Keep going.
left, right, left, right, pause.
Rest.
Right,
Uh-huh. Pause or rest. Yes, this was a little bit problematic, and we call it a bad habit. It was difficult for Franny to learn the new habit after she learned play something like this. Very quickly, there's clusters, and I think you were missing even the rests. So make sure you tap first, and after that you play, and just little like almost like fight. Bad habits, they like to fight good habits. They're like, no, we like our way. Play like you learned before, even it's wrong, but it sounds good for us and for you and for your ears because you used to hear this. I had a student who would say, who would play wrong notes because he practiced so hard, he learned lots of wrong notes. And I said, no, it should be like this. He said, no, but this is better. So wrong note is better, he said, because he used to hear it, and for him, for his ears, it was like better. Do you understand? So okay, it's gonna be a little bit challenge for you. Fix this. We marked with the pink sticky. Yeah. Okay, sticky notes. Left, right, left, right, left,
right,
rest.
rest,
Mhm.
left, right,
Right, right, rest.
rest,
Uh-huh.
left, right, left, right,
Pause.
left, right, left, right, pause.
Very good. And last song, what I want to Franny play, and the both songs she will play on the black keys and on the white keys. So this is the assignment. She already played for me, but I wanna she play one more time. Maybe I can accompany if she moved a little bit higher, like right here. Let me see. Instead of this, should be here. Can you? Should we move bench for you? Okay. So try now.
Can I play?
Why? What I'm doing here? Was going to play with you. Do you wanna play with me?
Yeah.
So, should we start together?
Yeah.
Should you wait for me?
Yeah.
You're like, can I play it? Oh yeah, go ahead, play yourself. Together. Called duet. Okay, you and me or my accompaniment. Ready, set, start. Good job, Franny. So next time I'm gonna ask you play on the white keys. This song, this you can keep on the black keys.
Okay.
Okay, and we have assignment for this book. Franny is going to from number Russian book 1 from number 3 to number 7. No, I think I passed number 3. Number 1, number 2, number 3 pass. Only number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. So she play one hand and she sing the words. The words she's playing and singing. She playing both hands at the same time, fingers too only. And she, what do you do when you play hands together, Franny?
We do it on the same note.
Huh?
We do it on the same note.
The same note?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like okay, humming. In English it's you hum.
Oh yeah.
In Russian it would be, как сказать, мычать, что ли? Есть еще какое-нибудь слово? Не знаю. In the same note, she said, okay, we sing in the same tone, the same kind of, not the same tone, it's not the same tone, it's different pitches, but we don't sing with the words, we just humming. Next time you come, you teach me what is the Russian word for humming, okay? Assignment for you. Bye everyone, Franny's here and Miss Elza. Bye.